Hi, good morning, folks. Actually, a good video that I'm putting on right today is the about productive mornings. And I thank you for visiting the calendar system. My name is Scott Buitta. I'm the developer of the calendar system. I'm the author of the Keys to Sobriety, and I'm also the founder of the Sobriety Club. For the past 25 years, I've generated a desire to help and understand the study of addiction. And we're putting this in a video format so I can help share my thoughts and hopefully help people out there. So we're going to start off with productive mornings. I'm coming up with productive mornings as it's been something that's always made me believe that everything starts in the morning. Your most important decisions in your life are first thing in the morning. Everything starts in the morning. Life-changing decisions start first thing in the morning. Very important. When your eyes open up, everything starts at that point. So this is where you have to be on point. Know when your inside is telling you something. This is when your brain also is very at its strongest, is in the morning, well rested and flushed. Most successful people start their day before they even go to bed, where they make their list and get things ready. It sounds funny, but it's a fact. Most successful people start their morning the night before they go to bed. They get their list in order. So if you're making your to-do list before you go to bed and prepare for your new day before you open your eyes in the morning, you'll have less to think about and more time doing. Only makes sense. You can do one thing, you can do a list of things. Anything is better than nothing. It's called keeping on track, getting on track. Start with one thing before you go to bed. Write it down. Keep it near your bed so when you wake up, it's there. Watch what happens. You're going to get that thing done. Whatever it may be. Doesn't have to be much of anything, it's just something, right? With the calendar system, everything starts first thing in the morning. If you had a successful yesterday, your reward to your calendar is first thing. You go to your calendar and you put your X in your calendar and you look at your previous X's and be proud. So everything starts at first thing. And you're going to build upon your morning successes. Okay? Addiction is a cycle. Starts in the morning, ends in the evening. So it's necessary to disrupt this addictive cycle and replace the bad action with a good action. First thing in the morning. Control your actions from wake time till noon time. Break it down. You don't have to, your morning is only so long. You can't think it's morning all day long. But I know that when people have changed their cycles in the morning, it changes their whole day for the better. And if you change, for example, people that smoke will get up and have a cigarette right away. This is a prime example. So instead of waking up and having a cigarette, have yourself an orange juice and a walk. Go get the newspaper. Read. Do something else than lighting up that cigarette. People that are going for a reward of alcohol or food, Change it. There are better things. Break that cycle in the morning first thing so one doesn't repeat another. Why they call it chain smoking. You get the ball rolling for the bad, or you get the ball rolling for the good. Right? I've been through this. 1,000 different ways. Nothing worked. This did work. Interrupt that addictive cycle first thing in the morning. If there's no pain, there's no gain. Rewiring is a short in the impulse or desire to do something for a warm and fuzzy. When you short your bad habit, you become agitated. That's why people just find it easier to continue the bad thing, so they don't feel that agitation. But it's killing them, continuing. This is the repair process. You have to allow this agitation to take place for the repair process to take place. You're rewiring, you're cutting old wires, you're building new wires. Let off some of that steam by taking a walk and generating an activity. These impulses will last short periods and will diminish each time they occur over time. Your body's going to learn how to operate without these negative factors. You're going to replace them with beneficial factors. This is the body repairing itself. Most important is be proud. You have to be proud. You're repairing. You're going to have a better life. Just takes a little time. You'll love life. Try to touch base with Mother Nature first thing in the morning. I love Mother Nature. I'm a Pisces. I love fish. I love water. I love the sunshine. I love going to the beach. I like getting a tan. I like taking a walk. I like watching birds and animals. You know, a suggestion about having a pet if you don't have one. You know, a pet helps you live longer. So if a pet will help you live longer and make you feel better, have a pet. It'll always love you. Hopefully you'll always love your pet, and your pet will love you even more. It's a good relationship. Try to drink a full glass of water, purified, first thing in the morning. You get up, you're starting your system, lubricating it with some beautiful, fresh, pure water. Best thing for you. Now, I heard something about 8 glasses a day. I mean, it's tough having 8 glasses a day, I think. But, I mean, I do the seltzers. I love those. I indulge sometimes. Gets me going. Not too many. Sugar-free, salt-free, sodium-free. But remember that too much of anything is too much. So get yourself going with a beautiful glass of water in the morning. First thing. Next on the list is tell someone you care about them. First thing in the morning. It'll make you feel better. Make them feel better. Isn't that a good job? Feeling better, making people feel better. You know? Tell your boss, thank you for helping me. Thank you for the job. And I hope that I'm improving so I can get a raise. You know, I'm here for the long term. I want a raise. I'll do better for you. I'll move up in this company. First thing in the morning, tell somebody you care about them. Important to take a walk or do some form of activity first thing in the morning 15 minutes is great. That's your power walk. That's your vacuuming. That's your activity. You're doing something, picking up, activity. You need that stretch, waking up of the mind. You need to start creating a new cycle, a beneficial cycle. Next most important thing is to clean up nice. Look your best. Do your hair nice. If you need a haircut, go get one. Very important. You're the most important asset on the planet. You have to take care of yourself. You have to look good. Believe it or not, when you're walking down the street, there's a lot of people looking at you. And there's going to be a bunch of people that are going to say, wow, that's a nice looking person. But you want to feel good about yourself. It's in your heart. You want to feel good. That's why when you get up, you want to take care of yourself. You want to wash up. You want to smell good. You want your clothes to look good. You want to make sure your clothes are folded and hung up, taken care of. First thing in the morning. Even if they feel like crap, look good. Because somebody always told me, remember, you are as good as you look. Okay? So those days where you don't feel that great, dress up, get cleaned up, get some fresh air, get outside in Mother Nature. It'll change the way you feel. And that'll break that cycle. A lot of addiction has to do with not feeling good about yourself. You're going to learn how to help yourself feel good by doing small actions. Okay? So by cleaning up, you're going to be feeling good about yourself. You're going to be talking with people. People are going to see you as looking good. And the balls start rolling for the better. Accomplishments are first thing in the morning. Get you into a groove. And keep your mind focused on the reality and not those bad habits. For more information, visit us at calendarsystem.org. Please share this video to help spread the word. Our mission is to help save lives. You please email us at calendarsystem@gmail.com. My name is Scott Buetta, developer of the Calendar System. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.